Okay, so guys, very fortunate. I entered the second time kasi when you go to the banyo, you pass by that way and that's the entrance. So paglabas ko ng banyo, actually hindi naman ako naiihi. Gusto ko lang makapasok ulit. I asked the guards kung pwede ba ako mag-re-enter kasi galing ako sa banyo. And they said, of course, you can re-enter. And still, very few people are there. So I was able to enter the second time. And, well, I wasn't crying anymore. But, you know, you still feel different when you see him. Yun nga, medyo pale, dark na siya. But still, you know, he's very simple. He's just in a normal coffin. Medyo mas malapad lang ng konti sa normal na coffin kasi malapad yung bandang side ng ulo niya. He was holding a rosary. Siguro makikita niyo naman sa mga videos. Still, nobody's here. Look, nobody. As in, ako lang. Ay, di, may nasa likod ko pala ito, mga volunteers. Yan, mga ganyan. But then, still empty, guys. The x-ray machines from as far as I can see, wala pang mga masyadong walang pila. So, pumunta na kayo. Bago kayo pumasok sa work. No, yung mga 9 o'clock pa yung work. Come on, gising na kayo, 5. Go here, maraming entrance points. 1, 2, 3. Pero isa lang kasi yung papasok. So, kahit saan kayong angle mag-enter ng x-ray machine, dito pa rin kayo dediretso sa side na yan. Kung saan lang pwedeng pumasok. At dito naman ang exit sa side na to. Kung saan lang pwedeng umexit. So, I have been blessed to enter twice. No hassles, no lines. And, yun lang, pwede lang mag-video hanggang middle part. And then, sasalubungin na kayo ng mga guards and they would tell you na no videos and no pictures are allowed. And it's a 2 seconds, 3 seconds stop. You have to go and move to give way to the others. And yung pangalawang enter ko, you cannot anymore stay on the sides. Siguro kasi ina-avoid na nila yung tatambay doon, no? Hindi katulad kanina, nung unang pasok ko, I was there for 15, 20, 25 minutes. Just praying and praying. Ngayon, medyo bawal na siya. Pinapa-move na further away. And then there's a chapel kung nasan yung mosaic ni San Lorenzo Ruiz. You can sit down there and pray. Continue praying. And I heard merong misa ng alas 8 ng umaga. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan. One of the guards was telling me, if you want to attend the mass, you stay here inside for 3 hours. Wait for it. Because if you go out, you have to do the line to get back in. So sabi niya, kung okay sa'yo magantay, wala kang trabaho, wala kang gagawin. Magantay ka ng 3 oras. But I don't think I would do that. There's many more churches where I can hear the mass today. And so, I think I'm gonna do that, but right now it's still dark. Yan, madilim na madilim pa. So, hindi muna ako lalabas ng Vatican Square, but I will be staying, I don't know, maybe somewhere to sit along the stairs just to wait for the sunrise and see people coming. Kasi medyo mahirap umuwi ng ganitong oras, you know. So, salamat sa pagsama nyo. Napaka-blessed ko today. Twice nakapasok. Twice ko nakita si Pope. Twice akong nakapagdasal. Walang katao-tao when I came at 3:54. Yung unang pasok ko was until 4:45. Can you imagine? And then right now, I went in again. But it was a fast one kasi nga dumadami na yung tao. It was 3-4 seconds in front. I just made the sign of the cross and said goodbye to Pope, and then had to move forward. You had to walk, you know, go with the flow. I saw mga Filipinos na may pare and may kasama siyang isang Filipino. But I wasn't able to talk to them kasi nauna sila sa akin. Nasa live ko sila kanina, binidyohan ko sila. And I saw other Filipinos kanina din, isa, dalawa. They're probably on their way to work also. Kasi pwedeng by chance lang eh. Sabi ko, maaga ako para kung mahaba man yung pila, at least maaga na ako. Kasi ang press release kahapon. 7 a.m. magbubukas hanggang 12 midnight today. So kahapon ang sabi 11 a.m. magpapapasok hanggang 12 midnight. But apparently they were open the whole night. So pwede pala mula kagabi hanggang ngayon, tuloy-tuloy, walang closure ang Vatican. So mamaya din dire-diretso lang siya hanggang Friday, hanggang Saturday na. So yun yung totoo. Siguro they're avoiding na baka dumagsa lahat ng tao in the middle of the night, no? So hindi nila binago yung announcements. But when you were here last night, alam nung mga nagtanong na open siya the whole night. So, hi Mama Leonida, kamusta po? Pinagdasal ko kayo dito kay Pope. Salamat po sa mga nanonood ngayon. At sana makapunta dito yung mga taga Roma. See? Nobody's still here, but very, very few. Very, very few. So, ayan. Na-appreciate ko yung kaagahan ng punta ko dahil nga walang hassle. Medyo malamig ng konti, but it's, I'm just wearing golf lang naman. Kasi nga, hindi na ganun kalamig sa Roma ngayon. Maganda yung weather, pero they said it's gonna rain. Walang mga stars today. I hope not kasi mababasa yung mga pipila today, no? So sa mga maagang magigising dyan, halina kayo dito para hindi kayo mahirapan mamaya kasi kahapon supposed to be pupunta ako dito ng 12 noon after ng trabaho ko, but it was so hot. Pwede kang mahimatay sa init kahapon ng tanghali, so I changed my mind. Sabi ko, hindi na ako pupunta ng tanghali. I would just go today, this early morning. So, yun lang guys. Lalabas na ako sa piazza. Antay lang ako ng sunrise. And then, I probably hear mass. I don't know where. Kung saan ang earliest. I'll check. And I'll keep you posted. Salamat sa panonood. Bye!